Hi Barry Cross, welcome back to my channel. In today's Warrior Plus monthly recurring commissions video, I'd like to share with you some proof of recurring payments that have started to consistently come in. And this is the key to earning a solid income online. And that is having monthly recurring commissions that you can rely on every single month, as well as your upsells and instant commissions. So I'm promoting Traffic Blaster and the Click Engine through the Warrior Plus marketplace, and they go into the transactions area, and you'll see recurring payment number 3 for Traffic Blaster, recurring payment number 3 for the Click Engine, recurring payment number 3 for Traffic Blaster, recurring payment number 3 for the Click Engine. So these are quite new products. Now, this is really important because what this means that the customer, the member of the Click Engine and Traffic Blaster Pro are very happy with the product they're getting, and they are getting great value of 100% autopilot buyers traffic. So it's important to promote programs where members get great value from the actual product itself, and then they're happy to pay the monthly subscription, the monthly membership, and you will start to build up a solid and sustainable long-term recurring income. So again, the Click Engine number 3, recurring payment number 3, the Click Engine, recurring payment number 3. What you'll also see while I'm scrolling down here is some higher commissions. So the upsells, I'll just come to those in a minute. The upsells, you promote one link, this member's on their second month, they're on their second month, they're on their third month, they're on their second month. So you get the idea that people are happy. You are going to get some people that are going to cancel. Maybe it's not within their budget or they're not happy, but you can see here we're all starting to get recurring payments. Now, if I go back to the top, I want to also show you some really important information, because you can just promote one link and both of these offers have got done for you funnels built into them. So you promote one link and you can earn multiple income streams. 74 items have been sold with these two products, and I've referred, I think, about 20 members in total with the two offers. So 54 items are either recurring income, monthly recurring income payments, or they are upsells like this one here. This one here was an upsell at $8.90. So you get a one-off commission there of $4.24, and all these start to add up. You're promoting one link. There'll be a link in the description with information on these products. This one here was an upsell, $34.90. This one here was an upsell, twice the buyer traffic. So the upsells that the owners have put into these funnels, you can see, are high converting. This customer here got a 6-month subscription, and it just goes further down here. This one here upgraded to double buyer traffic, so they can put 2 offers into the Click Engine. This one here is an upsell. So you're not only with the Click Engine and Traffic Blaster Pro, you're not only getting buyers traffic on autopilot to your offers. This one here, the customer bought a $64 upsell, and then your commission will be 50% at $31. And so 54 of these items are either monthly recurring commissions or they are upsells from the funnel. This one here is a refund. You're going to get probably about 1 to 2% as the industry average for refunds. But you'll see here again, upsells. This is a $1 trial, 6-month subscription. So people are paying up front for 6 months because they're very serious about building their online business. Now, with Traffic Blaster Pro, there'll be a link in the description. These two have got different funnels and different training. So if you want to have a look inside the Traffic Blaster Pro back office, you can just get started with a 7-day trial for $1, and that will take you into the members area, and then you get your done for you funnel, your Facebook group, and all your training in here. And they've got a Facebook group with some very experienced 6- and 7-figure earner affiliate marketers to help and support you. I'll give you one-to-one mentoring, but within this group, you've got all the help and support and training you're going to need to be successful with Traffic Blaster Pro. The Click Engine is just over $1 a week, and you've got to be a member of these two programs to be able to become an affiliate. So I do recommend that you use the programs themselves, because I'm getting great results from the autopilot buyers traffic. But to become an affiliate with the Click Engine, the owner, Jeff, is very serious about helping you become successful with the Click Engine. So are the owners of Traffic Blaster Pro. And what Jeff does, he gives you, in his back office, when you join up, you get access to a $1,000 per month training plan. And what Jeff is doing every single month, he's building up a library of training and strategies. He's adding a new training every single month so you can become successful as an affiliate with the Click Engine. I've done a video here which was a comparison between the two products. So I'll put that link in the description as well, and you can watch that video, and it just goes into more detail about the differences. They're both 100% autopilot buyers traffic as a product, but within the back office and the funnels, they have got different offers and different trainings. So I'll put this link in the description. You can watch this video, and that will show you the differences between the two products. So if you've enjoyed the video today, then please give me a like, a big blue thumbs up like. So I'd really appreciate that. That's going to help support me on my YouTube journey. I do new content every single week, so if you'd like to watch some more videos of mine, then please click subscribe and the bell icon. New content every week, and I've now got over 600 videos on the channel. Excuse me. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this short video today. The link in the description will take you to a page like this, so to watch more information on Traffic Blaster Pro, and it'll show you all the bonuses you're going to get there. Another link in the description will take you to this page here with a video and some more information on the Click Engine. So thanks very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.